be kind of an exciting day because we were recently contacted by a local news channel to come and interview us about our bus. So we're really excited about being on the news, I guess, and sharing it with you guys.
It's crazy. They just hit us up out of the blue and said they stumbled across our Facebook page and said it was one of the coolest things they'd seen in a long time. And that's just awesome. It's so cool. We're so excited.
With that being said, we're gonna start getting the bus ready for showing on the news. So here we go.
What's behind me might look like an ordinary yellow school bus to some of you, but what's happening inside is going to blow your mind or maybe even inspire some of you. Let's step over here. I'm going to introduce you to the masterminds behind this. This is Ben and Gabby Pike, and they are revamping their lifestyle with this school bus. Wow, this is incredible. Gabby, let's start with you. What is your life like right now that you decided that you wanted to make a lifestyle change?
What's up, guys? It's another day at the bus. It's beautiful outside. We did not get done welding all of the square tubing and roof transition supports the last time we were here. We just have a couple more. So my buddy Anthony's actually coming back. He's meeting me here in a few minutes, and he's just gonna really quick weld the diagonal supports that are up there that are gonna keep the bus from kind of twisting, you know. It's definitely necessary, and we're just gonna get this done quick. Let's do this. All right. Because Nate got so close to being done, when I got here I was like, oh, my buddy Ant's coming back to finish the job that Nate couldn't handle. I'm just kidding.
Whoever can weld, might as well weld, huh?
Exactly.
Like there to there, maybe?
I guess if we rub that that thing up against here, it will get that flat angle in there or whatever.
Cut on the other side of the line, because I can fill gaps too, so.
Sweet, thank you. Woo!
I think I tried to click on that link you sent me.
Yeah.
You said it got put on somebody else's channel.
It got viewed so many times.
That's kind of cool though. And then that's neat that you're gonna interview you guys and stuff.
Dude, 6.5-minute interview.
That's cool.
They're gonna be here for 2 hours. They asked us what we wanted to focus on in the interview.
Yeah.
Three points, and we were like, how we got here, where we're going, and our YouTube channel.
Oh yeah.
So we get to literally shout out to the world our YouTube
Right.
channel. And then older folks are gonna be like, what the, well, this is kind of interesting, I guess. So it's in our area, and they're
Right.
gonna watch this shit, and then they're gonna see how nuts I am, and they're gonna be like, unsubscribe. Yeah. You guys see this? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Anthony, and thank you so much, Nate. You guys have helped us tremendously. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's looking so good. You guys look at this, seriously. just look at how good of a job these guys did. We're just really fortunate we had them around to help, and seriously, couldn't thank them enough. So thank you guys if you're watching this. So yeah, if you haven't yet, please subscribe. We greatly appreciate it, and we will have nothing but more educational videos for you on our bus conversion so we can help you guys. Yeah, thank you to all of our subscribers. Thanks to everybody that's shown us a ton of support during our bus conversion thus far. We really appreciate you guys, seriously. It has just made us so motivated to keep going and doing this every week. So thank you guys very much. So as most of you guys know, bus conversions are not cheap like a lot of people think. They actually get really expensive if you want it done right. And yeah, we're trying to keep this job moving, and we want to keep bringing you guys a lot of good videos to show you exactly how we're doing this and hopefully help you out in one way or another. So we decided to launch a Patreon. So if you want to help support our bus conversion and support us as a family as we get on the road and stuff like that, and you want to keep seeing really educational content and some ridiculous stuff. So if you want to help support us, we will leave a link below to our new Patreon. So thank you guys very much. We really do appreciate the support, seriously. Thank you. Yeah, brother, thank you so much. Seriously,
No problem, man.
Anthony is the man. Been very helpful, so thank you very much.
No problem.
Enjoy your sweaty shirt.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? I'm just cruising through Sioux Falls with my kids. We're just going out to have some fun today while Gabby's doing a photo shoot. And what's up, Isaac?
Hi, we're going back to the bus.
We're going back to the bus. That's right. So yeah, we're out just cruising and having a good time today. Probably go find some geocaches and go work on the bus for a little bit. Anyways, we were driving down the street, and what do we see but this sweet Skoolie parked out here? It's called Our Wheel Home, and it is an old bus. It's an old Chevy, and it is so cool. I just love that we've seen more than one Skoolie in the city of Sioux Falls, South Dakota. That is so cool. Our Wheel Home, if you ever see this, give us a shout and tell us who you are. I couldn't find you on social media or anything, so if you ever see this, say hello. Show the guys around.
Do you know, our bus is almost done. Because we already raised the roof, we already put these little things on the windows, and we only have one window left. I mean 2 windows left. And we gotta make the door. And we gotta put a grounder here. We had to put a floor on it, so these are woods. I don't know what they are for, but they're going to go on our bus anyway. And these are our power cords. Why is this one plugged?
Those are to the old lights, Isaac. We're gonna put new ones in.
And these are the power cords, right?
They were for the old lights. Oh, that's this wiring right here is what makes the taillights work.
Taillights. Yeah, but there's something going on. It broke apart.
Yeah, it's okay. It works really good. They all work again. Anything else you want to say? Hey guys, we are back at the bus. What do you know? It is a beautiful day. Check it out through our unfinished roof transition. Oh, it is just beautiful out today. And yeah, as you can see, our roof transition is 100% done and ready for sheet metal. So today I think that I'm just gonna make the bus a little bit safer for me to be in, because I keep almost hitting my head on these right here. And I don't know how well you can see that, but my head touches this hat channel, and this is down about 1 inch, and it is just sharp metal on each one of these. And I have to come in here with an angle iron, and I have to shave that flat. Yeah, it's still gonna be kind of dangerous, but hopefully soon enough we will be covering up. those pieces of metal with spray foam insulation. Soon enough, we will be adding spray foam insulation once everything is completed and we get the electrical in. So, but it will still make it a little safer for now. And then when we go to the back of the bus here, hope you guys can see this all right. These pieces of hat channel, well, they're not hat channel. I don't know what you'd call them. Yeah, they're kind of like it. They're like a C channel of sorts without flanges. Anyways, these parts right here are structural for the bus, and we are going to take the extra hat channel that we had made custom right there. I'm going to chop that in half, and I'm going to use adhesive and rivets and link these together so it's nice and strong again. And then maybe if I get to it today, which I probably won't, but these parts in the floor, it's hard to see now with like no light in here. You can see through the floor there because it's a little rusted around the wheel well. And there's a decent amount of rust on both sides on both of these, so it's hard to see. I got stuff around them. But there's a decent amount of rust around both wheel wells. And I'm just gonna cut out all the areas that I think need to be cut out that are kind of punched through because of the rust. Then I'm going to cut some extra 18 gauge galvanized sheet metal there. I'm gonna cut it down and I'm just going to put it all the way around the wheel well with adhesive. Just adhere it down. And after that, I think that the problem should be solved. Then we can put in our subfloor and everything like that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. Woo-woo.